Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the blue ticks that appear when you read a message on WhatsApp. The blue ticks that appear after you read a message notify the person that you read the message, So if you want to turn that off, then I'll show you guys exactly how to turn it off in this video today. If you just don't want to let anybody know that you read the message, then first things first, you want to head over to the WhatsApp app. So once you are brought to this page, you're going to I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So on this page here, as you can see, there's two blue dots on this message that I sent, which means that the other person has received it and read it. But on this message right below it, it only shows one blue mark. Not this one, but as you can see, it shows two blue marks. This one, it only shows one mark and it's gray. That means the person hasn't received it and they haven't read it. So I'll show you guys exactly how to make it so they won't show blue marks at all. So it will never show up and they won't be able to tell if you read their messages. So first things first, from here, you want to go to your settings page in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you go to the settings page, it will bring you to, or if you click on the settings button, it will bring you to the settings page. So just click on the settings button real quick, and you'll be brought to this page here, settings. On the settings page, you want to look for the option that says privacy. So as you can see, it's right here. It has a lock right next to it. You can also use the search bar at the top of the screen to find privacy. Once you are brought to privacy page, you're going to want to look for the option that says read receipts. As you can see, it's right here. There aren't that many options, so you should be able to find it pretty easily. It should be turned on by default, but if you turn it on, then nobody will be able to tell if you actually read the messages. I think this will also make it so you won't be able to tell if other people read your messages, but they won't be able to tell if you've read theirs. So it's a trade-off. Now, one more thing you can do to make sure that they absolutely know that you didn't read, they have no way of telling that you read their message, is actually turning off your online status. So you guys will want to do that as well to make sure they have no clue that you've actually read their message. So you want to head back over to the privacy page and look for last seen and online. Once you click on that option right there, you want to turn last seen to nobody, and you want to turn last online or online to same as last seen. That will make it so nobody can tell when you were last online, and they can't tell if you are online at that current moment. And they will have no way of knowing that you actually read their messages, and the blue checks won't show up. So that is how you turn off blue marks on WhatsApp. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.